Opening statements in Lori Vallow Daybell's first Arizona trial set to start Monday. She's already been convicted of killing her kids in Idaho, but she's now standing trial for conspiring to kill her former husband. The I-Team's Erica Stapleton has been on this case from the very beginning and breaks down how we got here.
Since 2019, this case has had a lot of dark twists and turns. Lori Vallow Daybell plotting to kill her kids and former husband, all to be with her current husband, Chad Daybell.
All eyes on Lori Vallow Daybell.
I feel like the state is trying to say, okay, if you want your speedy trial, guess what? We're not going to let you defend yourself.
As she represents herself in her first murder conspiracy case. Back in 2023, Vallow Daybell was convicted and sentenced to life in prison in Idaho for killing her children, Tylee and JJ, who used to live here in the valley. Now she's back in Arizona, facing 2 conspiracy to commit murder charges. The first trial, a case out of Chandler, in the death of her former husband, Charles Vallow, who warned police about his wife's darkening religious beliefs before his death.
Lost her mind. I don't know how else to say it.
In July 2019, Lori's brother, Alex Cox, shot and killed Charles Vallow. At the time, Cox claimed self-defense, but police now believe he conspired with his sister in the killing. Vallow Daybell, who's pleaded not guilty and is now representing herself, foreshadowing she'll be trying the self-defense route in court.
What's the specific statement?
I shot my brother-in-law in self-defense. I got hit in the head with a bat.
Alex Cox can't be charged in this case because he died at his home in Gilbert in December 2019, reportedly of natural causes. Police believe Lori Vallow Daybell's current husband, doomsday author Chad Daybell, was also involved in the conspiracy, but he wasn't charged in Arizona. Daybell was convicted in Idaho for killing Lori Vallow's kids and his first wife, Tammy Daybell. He was sentenced to death and is currently on Idaho's death row. At the core of all these cases, dark religious beliefs that came up in a recent interview with Dateline.
Chad was convicted and he's on death row now.
I understand that, yeah.
But
They have some fascinating stories.
How could you possibly think that Chad would be exonerated after what happened?
The same way I will be exonerated. We will both be exonerated in the future.
Because?
I have seen things in the future that Jesus showed me when I was in heaven. And we were not in jail, and we were not in prison, and they were still in the future from now.
Lori Vallow Daybell's second trial in Arizona is also a murder conspiracy case. She's accused of plotting to kill her niece's ex-husband, who ultimately was not injured. Opening statements in her first trial are scheduled to start Monday morning. Erica Stapleton, 12 News.
We will be live streaming the opening statements and throughout the entire trial exclusively on 12+. So you can download the app on your TV right now and watch for free. We will also have daily recaps and analysis about what happens inside the courtroom. Again, that's exclusively on streaming app 12+.